I'll be having my workshop. Kakaalis lang namin. We're going to the public market to get some fruits to bring back to Manila. We're being very touristy and we will be checking out Magellan's Cross today.
Dancing prayer siya.
Gusto mo mag-dancing prayer?
Dancing prayer mo. Thanksgiving mo.
Ay, mag-yagat.
Hello, ma'am. Para sa travel, ma'am, business.
So inside Magellan's Cross, there are girls who are offering you candles and they can make dancing prayer for you. Just like what Chris is doing right there. So we're checking out the local market for some fruits to eat tonight and hopefully to bring home. So we just got lanzones and pomelo. May durian, pero hindi raw season yung marang. Okay, so we just came from Carbon Market here in Cebu to buy some fruit. Konti lang, we can't bring much. Although we have another 20 kilo baggage that we can fill. Medyo mahirap kasi mag-carry ng fruit. Hey guys, so I'm having my workshop today here at Green Shelf Cebu. Hey guys, so we just finished the workshop. I'm still here at Manila Town Center and we're having our early dinner. Guys, so it's our last day here in Cebu because tomorrow our flight is very early. It's actually at 6 a.m. Mali kasi, I was thinking na 6 p.m. siya. That's when I checked after I paid for the ticket, 6 a.m. So, my bad. Anyways, I'm still here at Yellow Cab here in Manila Town Center where I just had my workshop sa Green Shelf Cebu, and it was very fun. I had a great time. All of my students are new except one. If si June, she's a returnee. She is from Bohol who flew into Manila a couple of months back, and then today she rode a boat to come here in Cebu and attend my workshop. So thank you so much, June, if you're watching this. I really appreciate your presence in my workshops, and then I met a couple of new people. I'm happy that they all enjoyed, and yeah, so there's nothing much to do na after today. After this, I think we will be resting lang kasi we have to check in to our other Airbnb which is closer to the airport, and then maybe take some rest, and then tomorrow we will have to leave na early morning kasi I have to be in Manila by next week dahil marami pa akong inaasikaso for the opening of our new soap studio in Quezon City. So I'm very excited for that. So once that is finished, you guys, maasahan nyo na I will be having a studio tour for that. So I'm pretty much excited. I know most of my students are excited. And yeah. Anyway guys, I guess there's nothing left for this trip. I would like to end my vlog now. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. If you want me to come back here in Cebu, don't forget to comment down below or hit me up through Twitter, through Instagram. Don't forget to follow and subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!